Hey, welcome back. If you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you how to fix the problem quick and easy without breaking the bank. Let's get right into it. Have you ever heard your toilet running nonstop, even when no one's using it? That sound isn't just annoying, it's literally flushing money down the drain. A running toilet can waste up to 200 gallons of water a day. That's like leaving a faucet on 24/7. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. A new flapper, optional in case that's the issue. Adjustable wrench. Pliers. Step 1. Turn off the water supply to the toilet. Look under your toilet tank for the shut-off valve and turn it clockwise to stop the water from flowing. You don't want to flood the bathroom while you're working. Step 2. Check the flapper. Open the toilet tank and look inside. The flapper is the rubber piece that sits at the bottom. If it's worn out, cracked, or not sealing properly, water will keep flowing into the bowl. Try pressing down on it. If the water stops, you found your problem. Replace the flapper by unhooking the old one and clipping the new one in place. It's a quick and inexpensive fix. Step 3. Adjust the float. If the float is set too high, it can cause water to continuously flow into the tank. Look for the float inside the tank. If it's a ball-type float, bend the arm downward. If it's a cylinder float, adjust the screw on the fill valve to lower it. This should prevent overfilling the tank and keep the water from running. Step 4. Replace the fill valve if needed. If adjusting the float and changing the flapper doesn't fix the issue, the fill valve might be the problem. To replace it, disconnect the water supply. Unscrew the old fill valve and install a new one. Tighten everything back in place and reconnect the water supply. Once that's done, turn the water back on and check for leaks. Step 5. Test the toilet. Once you finish, test the toilet by flushing it a few times. If the water level is just right and there's no running, you've successfully fixed the issue. If the toilet still runs, check to see if the flapper or float adjustments need further tweaking. And there you go. You've saved yourself a plumber's visit and stopped wasting water, all in less than 30 minutes. It's an easy fix that'll save you money on your water bill too. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and leave a comment below with your most annoying plumbing problem. See you next time.